Hey everybody, it's Thursday afternoon, completely random, just got home. Two fun things. First, I've got a surprise box in the mail today. We're gonna do our first unboxing, but before that.
Go, hold on, I gotta get my, wait, don't push me yet, my feet are not in place. We're not pushing you.
I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling your heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree.
No high five!
Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling your heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night feeling like we're young. Acting like tomorrow will never come. Counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance, 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 dance. About to lose my mind, I'm going crazy. Lately I've been feeling every day's the same. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. Cause I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling your heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling your heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night feeling like we're young. Acting like tomorrow will never come. Counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance, 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 dance.
Calvin, what'd you think about sledding? It was awesome?
So we got a special present. Who did it come from, Elle?
I don't know.
We don't know.
It came from Calvin's classmate's mother.
Calvin's classmate's mom. The package is making noises.
It's alive! It's alive!
So we were given some pretty amazing, delicious looking items here. Like this ice. Doesn't that look delicious? First are these scallops. I mean, come on. Look at these things. Oh! These are my most favorite things to eat in the entire world. We have 1, 2 open scallops. These are what are kind of amazing. These are abalone. Now in California where we live, these are not legal. You cannot buy these, but the shells are absolutely beautiful. They are totally tough, and so to prepare these are actually very difficult. So, what's moving, sweetheart?
Crab!
Can one of you guys pick it up?
No!
Don't yell. So then we have another abalone here. See how it's the foot on there? See the foot? Yeah, you guys check out the foot.
How is that illegal?
Well, because there are not a lot of them left in California, and so as a result,
In China, it's okay. There's plenty.
I don't know, but all I know in California there's not a lot. When I was a kid, when I was 12 years old, I learned how to scuba dive, and these were still legal to get. You could get 2, but you had to get them. They're pretty large, actually. They're about 3 or 4 times the size of this one, about the size of my face. You're able to get, and I've had them before, and I know how to prepare them.
How you would get them?
We would basically have to have these metal. A crowbar. They grab on a rock, they suck on so hard you could never get them off, so you'd have to pry them off of rocks. It was very, very difficult. So we're gonna put them face up in the sink, so don't grab onto the sink. So what? And then we're gonna grab this guy. Hopefully he doesn't pinch me. And then these are what are called razor clams.
What's a razor clam?
These are razor clams, and they are delicious. And then we've got one more thing in here that is Ella's favorite. A box of fresh shrimp. Oh my gosh! Look at the size of those things!
I get half of that crab and I get that one. I get one. If you get both, can I have Are they still the size of my 2 hands? Oh my gosh. Ew!
So basically, we are absolutely 1 billion%, ow,
They're sharp.
in seafood heaven right now. When we first moved, we were here maybe a month, I think, and one of our neighbors was so gracious and so kind to leave one of their seafood boxes, like this one, out in their stairwell.
Where?
And unfortunately, if you leave out stinky old seafood out in summer heat, it smelled really bad for a few days. What's up, buddy?
Oh, my boo-boos on my femur. She just wants a Band-Aid. I want a Band-Aid.
Okay. You just don't.
Looks like a huge clam.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Clam Maria. Area. You have to cover up both boobs.
You get your chance. Is it delicious? The one more bite.
Here, and you can have the pink one.
Yes. So that's it for tonight. Ooh. Yeah, have a great night. So, see you guys next time. Peace out. Calvin, let go of my leg.
Bye-bye.